Yeah, I feel so inspired when I come in here because I'm just really happy in here because it's bright and everything's organized. I did start out sewing on a dining room table, and would have to clean it up every night so that we could eat, when the kids were little and stuff. So just to, have everything organized and be able to just get up and go into my house, come back and start right where I left off is really a treat for me.
Oh yeah.
And I waited a lot of years for this, but the investment I think was totally worth it. I have a studio that was in our 2.5 car garage that we converted. And it was that way for years, but it wasn't climate controlled.
Right.
It was very dark. We just thought we're getting older. We need to put our cars back in the garage. And, so let's build onto the house and put a room up above and a garage below. Right. And the estimates that came back for that were atrocious. The lowest bid we got was $280,000.
Yeah.
I was very sad, and my husband burst in one day and said, I have plan B. Mm-hmm. And he had seen your site, was looking at all of the sheds, and he was like, he said, we have to go look because I can't believe how good these prices are for the size of the building that you get. And we went out to the site. I was amazed at the versatility of these buildings. Starting from the very basic customer service of starting to figure out what kind of shed we wanted and what was the right size and everything to the installation. We really didn't have any hiccups or complaints or any. I'm very happy with this.
Good.
Never felt like we were taking too long or anything.
No.
Not rushed or all our questions answered. It was great. Good. It was a great experience.
Nice.